Many people experience the effects of economic disruption. Some people see a loss of income, while others see their financial portfolio suffer. But even those who are not experiencing severe financial difficulties still feel the weight of a shaky economy and are choosing to restrict their budgets. Use these suggestions to make sure your finances are ready for whatever comes your way. Whether you've had a financial plan in place for years or you simply want to take charge of your finances amid hard economic times. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about tips to safeguard wealth during tough times. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 8. Open an overseas bank account. The most crucial thing you can do to protect your investments is to open an account with a reputable bank with a solid capital reserve ratio, a track record of stability, and a location with stable politics and the economy. Number 7. Diversify your assets. Spread out your assets among several accounts with various balances in various nations and banking institutions around the world. Spreading your risk and lowering your exposure are two goals of diversification. The easiest approach to do this is to have a variety of access points to your funds in the event of a bank failure, market collapse, or currency crisis. Number 6. Store physical gold. An asset protection and diversification strategy that includes tangible assets like gold is crucial. Gold, on the other hand, is stable and offers a valuable asset that is highly liquid and can be quickly converted should assets need to be liquidated in an emergency. Whereas currencies are known to depreciate and inflate, gold is stable and provides a valuable asset. Gold usually maintains its value and increases in value at a rate that outperforms most indexes. It is a dependable backup strategy, as well as an investment that will reduce some of the dangers associated with operating in an erratic financial system. Number 5. Start with your goals. You must review and possibly rethink your financial goals before you can start preparing or modifying your plan. Write down your top 10 financial objectives, both long-term and short-term, on a piece of paper. When you have your list, think about which objectives are most crucial to you. Investing for your future? Settling debt? Use this spreadsheet to organize your financial goals, set a target, and monitor your progress. Number 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take measures to tighten your financial belt when money is tight. Examine your receipts and the bills from the previous month first, then reduce your spending to represent a realistic budget. For instance, cut back as much as you can on your phone and internet services or cancel subscriptions that you hardly ever use. By meal planning or selecting recipes that use materials you already have on hand, you can cut back on eating out and lower the cost of groceries. Number 3. Rework your budget. Rework your monthly budget after you've carefully examined your finances and thought about where you can make the required changes. You can follow the instructions on this budgeting worksheet to create a budget. Record how much money you intend to save each month after totaling up your monthly salary. From there, list down how much you expect to spend each month in each of the several expenditure categories you identified before, such as utilities, transportation, health and well-being, etc. Review your monthly totals at the end and make necessary adjustments until you are satisfied with the outcome. Number 2. Rethink your saving strategies. Together with reducing your debt, you probably have certain long and short-term savings objectives that you may need to reassess. If you're saving for a vacation or a new automobile, are there any non-essential savings goals you may postpone or pause? You can decide to focus more on creating an emergency fund while the economy is uncertain. Try to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a savings account that is simple to access as a general guideline. Find out how much money you ought to have set aside for emergencies using this calculator. Number 1. Focus on paying down debt. The stress of approaching debt installments may intensify in uncertain times. You may prevent paying too much interest over time by concentrating on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. If the interest rates on your debts are comparable, pay off the one with the lowest balance first, and then apply that amount each month to the debt with the next smallest balance. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.